my pre-Thanksgiving meal. I have to have something spicy first. Mama noodles. It's about, right now it's about 10, 15. I sliced up some sirloin meat that was left over like 2-3 days ago. Let's see. So the gravy mix that came with the turkey breast, I mean, it's really blasé. I'm gonna let it boil and let it thicken up. It doesn't look promising. Okay, after waiting for 5 minutes to thicken, I think I'm gonna make a roux and add the gravy to the roux. And a secret ingredient, not secret anymore, with a little bit of black soy sauce, just a little bit for a hint of darkness, and it tastes amazing. All right, it's 4:06 and it's like 78 degrees right in here right now. So we're just gonna load up. We just lounge, we just chilled. Yeah, watch football. I took a nap on and off, yeah. Oh yeah, just the basics, no rules. Thank you so much, husband, that you made all this. Had to do the gravy. Oh yeah, and of course, gotta have the cranberry sauce. Enjoy. It didn't brown. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Yeah? Okay, all right. Bon appetit. Yeah, go for the gold. And this one is my plate. Half moon is out. Oh, so beautiful. Thanksgiving evening, Thanksgiving Day evening. The sky is magnificent as again. And here's our dessert. Store-bought pumpkin pie. From where did you buy this from?
Albertsons.
Albertsons.
Cool.
I want a small piece because I think it's, no, that's yours.
Too big? How big?
Yeah. All right, I have 2 types of dal. The yellow split pea that I've been soaking for the last 3 days, and the red lentils. I'm gonna make the Indian lentil stew, dal, and I'm gonna mix a bit of the yellow split peas with the red lentils right here. So I'm gonna put half of the yellow split peas into this one, mix it together, cook it together, because I'm gonna make something else like my style, kind of a spicier taste. Excuse the laundry noise in the background. So I have the pork shoulder butt that I'll be cutting out, and I'm gonna make pork jerkies. Sin Lao. I'm gonna make Lao style pork jerky out of this, and some of it, not all of it. So yeah. Wow. Where are they? The wild parrots are out. And a good evening. Now getting dinner prepped. Got the pork marinated for the pork jerkies. And I was gonna steam sticky rice in the traditional way, but you know, the modern Lao now cooks the sticky rice in the rice cooker. Yeah, and then the dal that I made this morning, we were gonna go out for Black Friday, but I'm just like, no, you know what? No Black Friday shopping for me. Crazy enough out there. I don't need to be pushing carts and trying to get my way through to get to some things that maybe, yeah, anywho. But my husband went out to get some things at Costco, and yeah, so that's about it. But I didn't want to go out, so we did plan to go out like into downtown Los Angeles, but again, that plan didn't go through, and we'll try again tomorrow. Yeah. So the pork strips jerkies are in the air fryer, and I'm gonna make Lao style cucumber salad, ตำแตง I need something spicy because last night's Thanksgiving dinner didn't really sit well in my stomach. So all day today, I mean, it was just, yeah, my stomach wasn't happy. So I'm gonna have something spicy just to ease that out. It might not make sense to you if you don't eat spicy food. So yeah, for me, I need something spicy. Cucumber salad, I just made it on the fly, and the pork jerkies, a little bit burnt, but it's okay. It's all caramelized and everything. Oh yeah, sticky rice, jump. Dip, dip, dip in the sauce. It's late and I'm hungry. I'll see you in the next vlog. Good night.